Hi everybody, I got my order in from Merry, M-E-R-R-Y, YouTube sale. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. For what I got all of this for, I couldn't get this for. So, it's new, the seal hasn't been broken on it, and it is the Christmas Wishes 12 by 12 paper pad. And look at these colors. Aren't they gorgeous? Of course, you know, I like pink, so, and I like pastels, so this is some gorgeous paper here. Oh, look at that. Stunning. Okay, so I had to have a couple of purple in it. That's okay. And then I got the matching 6.5 inch paper pad to make ephemera with. And ooh, it's already got ephemera. It is ephemera. No, it's got ephemera in the back. Cool beans. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And then I got the Prima flowers in these beautiful colors here. Absolutely gorgeous. It's stapled to the pack, but I hope you can see the beautiful colors. And then I got, oh no, it's open. All of these Kaiser Craft Christmas Wishes die cuts. There's a lot of those in there. I'm going to take them all out of here right now because even though it's split open, but I hope you didn't lose any of them. But what I loved about it was she sent it in a priority box, which, you know, I don't mind paying that shipping because it protected the paper pad. And a lot of people don't do that. They kind of bend it, so I do appreciate that. And like I said, it was crazy cheap. All of this was one price. And then I think I paid like maybe $3 for these. So, yeah. If you see her selling, hop in there and buy, because I am all for buying from other YouTubers, first and foremost. But secondly, you can't walk in any store and get these prices. You can't. And it's all brand new. It hasn't been opened, so other than this, it's got like a slit, and this could have easily just been something that happened with opening the packages, you know, the box itself. It could have happened in the store even. So, I love it. Thank you so much, Mary. And she was so great to work with because I noticed I did not get an invoice from her. And I messaged her, and I says, you know, no rush if you're still working on invoices, but I noticed I didn't get one. Did you get my new information, or were you just going on the old one? Because I had emailed the new information to the people that were selling that day, and she said she didn't get it. So, oh, I'm so thankful I contacted her, because I don't want her to think I flaked on her. But guys, my Cable NT1 is gone. I don't have that PayPal. I don't have that email anymore. I've tried to contact others who just for some reason, I guess, well, it was eBayers. I guess they just decided they didn't want to sell to me because they didn't correct it and re-invoice me. But one of them I went ahead and paid anyway because I knew how much I owed her. I don't know what happened. I didn't get it. Maybe she doesn't know who the payment was from. I don't know what happened, but, you know, that's all water under the bridge. I'm going to let it go and just not buy from them anymore because I'm assuming they think I flaked, but I did send the new information. If you go into your accounts and just automatically send to what you have on record, don't always assume that is still valid, because people are changing their accounts all the time with all these hackers going on around here. Alright guys, hit Mary sales, hit Mary sales, hit Mary sales. Good stuff. See you soon. Bye-bye.